We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make sautéed mushrooms. Heat a large sauté pan over medium heat. Add butter and oil, 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now add 4 cloves of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of spices. Stir those into the butter. And now add your mushrooms. It's gonna look like a lot, but it will shrink down. Sauté these without stirring for 3 to 4 minutes. Then, for 7 to 9 minutes more, stir a little bit until they're golden brown. Now add a little salt and pepper. And we're using a balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar to really brighten these mushrooms. And scrape any of the little brown bits off the bottom of the pan. That's good flavor. And this is also while the liquid evaporates. Turn off the heat and garnish with fresh herbs. You can add a little lemon juice or Parmesan cheese. Delicious. Check out the recipe in the description below.